Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be opening up some new fidgets and we're going to be reorganizing my old fidgets in this bucket. It's my new bucket. Here's the lid. Let's get started with this video. Okay, first we're going to open up these fidgets right here. So let me just get this camera situated. Okie dokie, so I set up the camera right here. Now we're gonna just open these up. So the first one is this ginormous one right here. Let's open this one up. Okay. Now we're gonna have to get it out. Oh, hi, Rascal. Hi. Hello. Yes, Rascal. Yep. Say hi to my doggy, Rascal. Oh, he's cute. Do y'all think so? Do y'all think he's cute? I think he's cute. Anyways, back to what we was doing. Okay, this thing is heavy, but super satisfying. Whoa, I love this. Oh, look at the glitters. Super duper cool. We're gonna get this. We're gonna just the camera around quick. Okay, so you there we go. I'm gonna put it in there. Okay, now the next one is this one. It's a purple ginormous squishy. This time, a purple one. Let's see it. Okay. Hold on. Okay, we got it out. Super satisfying. This was the only purple one at the store. The gold ones, I got more, but this was the only purple one, and I got both of them. Yeah. Very full. Jiggle, jiggle, jiggle. Now we're gonna put it in here. Okay, and our next fidget to just cut right there. Cause look, we gotta cut it. Cause I don't even know what this is. I guess to blow up your fidget if it gets too, I don't know, deflated or something. Anyways, we're gonna just open. Let's take this thingy off. No, where does it go? I don't know where it went. I don't. Now that we're done opening up all the new fidgets, now we're just gonna go over here and we're gonna just put the fidgets in here. So let's get our old bucket right here. Hey, I got a cheese wrap. I'm gonna put him in there. Oh wait, how about we put the bigger things first and the smaller things last? Or how about we put the squishies first and the non-squishies last? Yeah, let's do that. Okay, and now we move on to the monkey noodles because they're like, I don't know, kind of squishy. Okay, 2 more monkey noodles right here. There we go, all the monkey noodles. Now let's move on to the poppets. Here's 2 poppets right here. We're gonna put some over there. Some more poppets. I'm gonna turn the flash on. There we go, now I can see better. Okay, so some more poppets, throw them in there. There's another poppet. And then a simple dimple is like a poppet. And this stupid game thing, I don't even know. Hold on. Okay, we got it. I gotta put that right there. Now this cheese wrap. Cute. Now this fart putty. And then last but not least, the slinky. Okay, put that slinky in there. Okay, this is all my fidgets in my fidget bucket. Now, that's my doggy. Is my doggy dog. Yeah, we're moving out, so we got a suitcase and stuff, because we're moving out stuff. So, for now on, when y'all see my videos, I'm not going to be in this house. I'm going to be in a different house. So, yeah. Well, hi. Say hi to the camera. Well, bye then. Anyways, yeah. Isn't this cute? I love puppies. Like, it's so cute. Well, since we're done, doing that, I'm gonna go get a marker and I'm gonna write fidget box on the top of the lid. And also, yeah, so hold on. Okay, I didn't get the marker, but I did get this Sharpie pen. So I'm gonna prop this little thing up real quick. Okay, well, I hope y'all like this video. Make sure y'all like and subscribe, and bye.